Is the gut microbiome linked to stage 1 stomach cancer? Imagine your digestive system as a bustling city filled with tiny residents working together. These residents are the microorganisms in your gut microbiome, and they play a crucial role in your health. Recent research shows that this microbial community is connected to stomach cancer, including stage 1. The microbiome influences how the cancer develops, progresses, and responds to treatment. One of the most well-known factors is infection with Helicobacter pylori, or H. pylori. This bacteria is a major risk factor for stomach cancer. It causes chronic inflammation of the stomach lining, which can damage DNA and lead to changes in the stomach tissue. H. pylori also alters the balance of other bacteria in the stomach, reducing its own presence in tumor tissues while allowing other bacteria to thrive. This imbalance, called dysbiosis, can promote cancer development. Beyond H. pylori, other bacteria like Fusobacterium nucleatum, Prevotella, Lactobacillus, and Streptococcus are often found in higher amounts in people with gastric cancer. These bacteria can influence tumor growth by affecting the immune system, causing inflammation, and altering metabolism. For example, Fusobacterium nucleatum has been linked to more aggressive tumors and worse survival outcomes, suggesting it may play a role in cancer progression. The composition of the microbiome also varies with the stage of the cancer. In stage 1 stomach cancer, specific microbial profiles have been associated with how well patients respond to treatments like chemotherapy. Some microbial communities seem to boost the immune response and improve treatment effectiveness, while others are linked to poorer outcomes and resistance to therapy. This means that the microbiome might help predict how a patient will do and guide personalized treatment strategies. The microbiome also impacts how patients respond to therapies. A diverse microbiome with beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus can enhance the effectiveness of immunotherapy drugs that target immune checkpoints. On the other hand, a disrupted or imbalanced microbiome caused by antibiotics or other factors might reduce the success of chemotherapy or immunotherapy. Scientists are exploring ways to modify the microbiome to improve treatment outcomes. This could involve using probiotics, prebiotics, or other methods to promote beneficial bacteria. While this research is promising, these approaches are still experimental and should always be used alongside standard treatments prescribed by healthcare professionals. In summary, the gut microbiome is closely linked to stomach cancer, including stage 1. It influences how the cancer starts, grows, and responds to therapy. Understanding this relationship helps doctors develop more personalized and effective treatments. However, it is important to remember that each person is different, and medical advice should always come from qualified healthcare providers. Ongoing research continues to uncover how we might harness the microbiome to fight stomach cancer better in the future.